Yeah, so short-term restriction.
All right, guys. So, good morning to most of you guys. If you guys watch this video, busy day in the market today. Busy day. There's a lot of earnings. We'll go over some of the plays that I'm going to, some of the stocks that I'm going to look at. Let's see if I can just make this a little bit brighter. Okay. First stock I'm interested in. Intel. Intel is a chip company. They make chips for computers. Um, Obviously, they had earnings yesterday. They didn't go so well. Their stock is gapping down, as you can see, closed at 53.77, and it is currently trading at 48.3. Um, so my prediction for the stock is it's going to keep going down. So it's one of the stocks that I might be shorting today. Another stock that I'm also interested in, uh, Mattel. Mattel, they are a toy company. Their earnings were better than expected. As you can see, the stock previous day closed at like around 12.90. Currently traded at 13.79. So I guess people are buying more toys since they're stuck at home for their kids, which is a good sign from for Mattel business model. Another stock that is also on my radar is American Express. You guys are familiar with this company? It's a bank, credit card, loans, etc. So their earnings didn't go as well. Um, stock closed at 104, currently 105. I think this stock is also going to keep going down. However, I do think it's going to keep having a push to the upside, but ultimately, I think it might be going down. Another stock, COF, Capital One. Uh, Capital One isn't like another financial institution. However, this stock did better than expected. So you can see here, Q3 earnings per share of 505, up from 3.32 a year ago. So this stock closed at 76.84 around there, currently trading at 80.35. So busy day. Also Seagate. Seagate, they make memory drivers, like cards and all that stuff. They're a memory company. Um, this stock, I'm gonna be watching, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be trading or the most interested in the stock, mainly because there's not too much volume. And when there's not too much volume, prices can pretty much fluctuate. One thing that I like to keep in mind, or one thing that I like to that helps me determine which stock I want to trade, is the spread, which is the difference between what people are willing to buy and what people are willing to sell their stock. So 49.75. I mean, you buy at the ask and you sell at the bid. So this difference between these two is a spread, and that's a commission that goes to the broker. Um, 49.75 and 50.05. That's about 30 cents. That's a huge like spread in my opinion. So I'm trying to stay away from it. And I'll give you an example. I'll give you an example of Intel, for example. This spread, the difference is 48.27 and 48.28. It's 1 cent difference. The spread is minimal. So that tells me that there's more volume. There's going to be more volume than Seagate, obviously. So that's why I'll probably stay away from Seagate. So if you guys don't know, this is level 2. This pretty much gives you an insight at what's happening inside the New York Stock Exchange. The ask is the price you pay when you buy a stock. The bid is the price you get when you sell a stock. So you're always going to buy at the ask. You're always going to sell at the bid. Okay. And another stock that's in my radar, I have it up. Don't know if I am going to trade it, but it's this socket. I'm not sure what the fuck they do. I really don't care. When you're day trading, you don't really care what a company does. You just care about the charts. Like you like to see big movements overnight in stocks. So for example, this was at $1.39, currently trading at 363. Whoever was long this stock the day before is fucking rich now. I'm sure there's a lot of people that made a lot of money because this is over 100% return. The price doubled. This is what happens with a lot of small cap stocks because there's just a lot of news, a lot of rumors, a lot of hope. But these companies usually never make it for the long term. They're just more like just for trading. It's like a gamble, I would say. Um, so yeah, let's see. The market opens at 6:30. Currently is 6:22. So for the meantime, I'm just gonna chill and wait until the market opens, so I can start seeing what I'm gonna trade. So let's watch CNBC for the meantime.
Welcome back. Time for a mad dash as we get ready for the opening bell. We still got 8 minutes till we get started with trading for the last session of the week, the gap.
Well, Dave, this is done in honor of what the heck you're wearing.
I think they are. These might actually be
I think you really fell into the gap with that.
Oh, one last thing. I'm sure maybe some of you guys that are watching don't have any idea what it is that I'm doing. So if you have any questions, feel free to just send me a DM through Instagram, or just write a comment on the chat on the YouTube thing, and I'll try to answer. The thing about day trading is there's days when you make money, there's days when you lose money. I might lose money today. I might make money today. I don't know. If you lose money, it's okay. It's part of the business. The goal is to always end the month with more money than you started the month. And this month, I have profit. So if I lose money, it's okay because I have cushion. And I'm up a good amount for the month. So I'm gonna be going a little bit heavier than usual because I have that cushion. So let's just see what happens. 5 minutes to the market open. Right now I'm just making notes of my game plan. There's a lot of stocks that are moving today, so you can't see it from this screen on YouTube, but I have a second monitor with a list of all the stocks that I'm going to be looking at today. It's just a bunch of charts like this next to each other with different stocks.
They had a lot to laugh about, the Giants. They found some...
We gotta go. We got an opening bell 2 minutes away. Stay with us right here on Squawk on the Street.
We took ABT. No, ABT I didn't. ABT was not. I remember there was Aino, Vin, Marna, of course, J&J. I have the list. I can't remember. ABT we traded yesterday. Look at it at the intraday. We took it 109 yesterday. Rarely I trade this stock, but we took it yesterday 109. Gave us a point. Yeah, clear 109 yesterday. So funny that you mentioned it. So. Yeah, but this is why, you have stops, you have everything looks amazing, but we're technical, guys. We're technical, and we have to go plans, and who cares what people think. And yeah, just follow like for example, if you see my lists, INTC is on the downtrend. On my down, one will be maybe one of my candidate up. It's one of the strategy that if it's going to go do something that I like that it's doing, we did those kind of trade. We did KMB yesterday, same. We took, I think, 3 points. Was opening very deep gap. Has good percentage of institutional, very low flow charts. Good formation on the VWAP. Boom shakalak. That's it. So, but I have to see. We have to see, each case. I don't know what's going to happen. We have to see the charts. So we have good candidate, really. We have good. Mattel is a nice one with the.
Okay, guys.
Not a big stop. Yeah. We're starting. Yeah. Okay.
No, 2 minutes from now, let's say good morning for the last 1 minute before the opening. We have free session today. Amir and I will be.
I will let you know, do this. It's not my type of. Yeah. You and Scott love to do it. I'm not. So go ahead.
Good morning, Tristan. Good morning, Gabe. How are you? Good morning. Danny just joined the room. Danny will be with me and Amir at the opening. Michael will be at the lunch session. Hey, Jeffrey, good morning. Suya. Edo, Pinto, good morning. Okay, 1 minute from opening. Hey, Leo, yesterday we traded Tesla, and I will follow Tesla today as well. We shorted it at the opening, 438, with a huge trade. Morning, Shankar. Morning, David, Edo, Richard. So, then I will share my screen. We like to trade with white background. A little bit different from everyone else, but that's okay. I'm following Guild Snap Walk, which I want to see it bounce today up. Yeah, David, I will follow Walk today to the upside, and we have the S&P 5-minute chart. So, guys, good luck. Trade carefully. This is Friday. You don't want to enter the weekend with a big loss, and it's always good to go green if it's a little bit smaller than usual. So 20 seconds to start, 15. Good luck, guys. Let's go.
Go as usual, guys.
It's open.
I really
See
don't
what
care that
movie.
it's Friday. We're going to trade the same. I'm going to trade the same. So yeah. Different approach. You're going to see different approach always. Yeah, good. It's good. Okay, good luck.
Yeah, the market is up 0.3%. The Qs also, nothing special at the opening.
So I'm short. Let's see what this does. Is it gonna go up?
Maybe we'll start with BE above 17. Low volume, I think, BE. 150.
There you go. First trade up $111. Shorted Intel. I went kind of small because usually I don't short right off the gate. I want to give it some time to see how things go. But EHTH. There's not that much volume. Volume is 9,000. No, not the stock at all.
And he's writing INTC and 48. Just took it.
Yeah.
Watching Jackass above the high,
This.
72.40. Probably stop under the round numbers. I want to see it for a second. No, it's not relevant. Just broke it, so it's not relevant.
1,000 shares in that. Let's see what happens. This is
Snapped
out.
over the high. This is the momentum that I'm
Like he
talking about.
wants to work out.
Strong breakout.
Yeah. 39.20, Yogi, was the
Does it want to
was
work
the
out?
high
Yes
of the
or no?
daily. So yeah, you see what happened. Yeah. Immediately 50, 60 cents. Yeah.
Let's go, man. This one's a little bit iffy.
And
Do you want to work out? Yes, you do. Come on. Never done that. That was stupid. But currently up 83. Let's go.
Okay, I think I will take walk
Push
above
up.
this 28.50,
Push up, Matt. Come on.
but need to see a strange. No, move lower.
watching Guild, GLD 63.20.
There we go.
Few cents
There
above
we
the
go.
previous
Keep
high.
pushing. Keep pushing.
Want to see if
Keep
you are a
pushing.
little bit.
Boom.
Can
Up
take half
1.7.
position and actually add
So
above
for
the
the
high
day,
64. So
I'm up around.
high of the candle is like 60, and I want to be sure, so I'm giving it a few more cents. So I'm going to go above
GIOD.
63.20.
I think this one's gonna
Let's see if people read the news or just think that this is the cure for the
Go
vaccine.
ahead.
For us, it's going to be good. Yeah. So let's see the
my
momentum.
stop is kind of high, so that's why I'm going. This might work against me though. So I want to go heavier, but not yet.
The S&P is moving lower, nothing special.
Market is going down, so I think this stock is gonna go down. But I know this thing could jump, so I'm in the trigger
Low for
This
NTC
is why I just
real
moved
quick
under
if it goes
75.
against me by a lot.
was
Not extended.
low for NTC was 48 on the pre.
Okay, it's gonna go my way. I
It's
think.
broke.
Let's see.
A good volume down.
coming in. Come on. Go up, asshole.
Waiting.
All right, let's see what happens.
Um,
Still not my stop.
American Express.
Still hasn't hit
Usually
my
it's not
stop,
a
so
stock,
I'm
but
good.
it has earning.
Still good.
And so this is also on my list. I don't usually trade it a lot. But again, it's a good candidate.
Let's see what happens. I added an additional 200 shares.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to come over here. And then you
Snapchat
just
next
add more
target
as
will
it
be
goes
this
higher.
40, probably.
Because I think this is going to keep pushing up. The market is
Yeah,
dropping,
Matthew,
as you
but
see
I
here,
don't
but
know.
this stock is
I will
not.
not take it. Okay, I think my first
So,
trade for today will be walk above 28.50, only because of the daily chart. I think it will move higher.
More downside. Let me see the next. What happens next? Where's Intel at?
Okay, nice tail in the S&P.
Let's
Another
see.
stock I'm watching is Mattel. Over the high.
Come on. Let's go.
1425.
This doesn't want to go.
Guild broke.
Short 600 shares.
Pathetic
Come on.
break. 20 cents.
Let's
Retail.
go. Come on. Go down.
I'm watching. If
Go
it's not
down,
going to
my
do the move,
guy.
I'm going
Come
to
on.
reduce pretty fast. Has to move immediately.
Keep going down. Keep going down. Market is 10. Okay. It's not. You don't want to fucking.
Okay, just entered walk. Wow, FSLY, what a break under 75. Nice trade. Snap, approaching the 40. JKS, what happened in JKS?
Let's go. Come on. All right, I'm covered 200 here. Still have 400 shares.
Wow. Amir posted it, no? Above 72.50. No, but it's moved lower.
No, it moved. I didn't watch it because it broke the
Doesn't wanna
stop.
go
Yeah,
down more.
they're
I
doing
feel like
this,
it
you
needs
know.
to go
Kick
more
us
down.
attention and
For
boom.
sure.
Do it without us. Yeah.
Okay, we have 10 cents in walk, but we took it with 25 cents, 15 cents. moved over the high. We need to be patient with work. This is a slow mover, but it could work. It could work. Then he posted the Jumia. This is Jumia's for today. Snapchat. Double 40.
Okay. I'm covering.
Wow.
It's not. It doesn't want to work.
Crazy stock. Jumia.
I
It
don't
was
know
$7 2 weeks ago.
So I covered 200. This trade, 112. I don't know why I didn't want to go down. It'll probably go down right now, but I felt like it should have. I felt like it had a lot more room to go down. Look at all this. It could have gone way more down, but it's not.
Oh, come on, BE.
Reason.
Should have taken it above 17.
So that tells me, it's not going to go down. So far, for the day, I'm up. Well, I'm up $600 for the day, but for my day trading was drilled into and met. So I'm up about $360 for the day, and that's all within 10 minutes.
Okay, guys, I'm starting to build position in INTC. Buying 30% right now, 48.10. Stop under the low.
Okay, this is good.
Next target
INTC.
to bring more will be about 48.40. So I told you what was the plan. I watched it break in the 48, which was the low of the pre-market, but it was not, capitulation like you saw in FSLY, for example. FSLY, you actually can see a breakdown and boom.
Again.
It's actually with full power. Here, it was not. And since, I have
I'm
a
going to go
kind
small
of
because I think it's going to keep going
trading
higher.
plan for this, 48.40, full position. Stop under the round number. So
Let's see what happens though, because this stock could fly.
Guild, I think,
When it flies up,
75 would be my stop. Thank you, Guild.
okay, yeah, I don't know.
Mattel did like 10 cents.
I need to
Hopefully,
see
it's a bull
red
flag
candle
above
for me to
35.
stop.
Hopefully.
So right now I'm down $44. It's okay though. I have profit.
So guys, this is not a mistake. I want to short Snapchat. Just touch the 40. A lot of people will buy it right now because this is a round number, but it's a little bit extended for me. Under 39.90. Hard stop loss, 30 cents.
Come on. Am I going
I think it should move lower. The market
All right.
third red candle in a row.
This is not going to work out.
And Snap is in.
It's not
Okay,
going to
good
work
luck,
out.
Snapchat.
So
Good trades so far
down
for
on
me,
this
Snap
position
and
now,
Walk.
46.84. So I'm up for the day about $250 or so. What is it? 144. Yeah, about $210. That's what I'm up. Because this thing, I shorted, I thought it was going to keep going down, but it actually went back.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think you are long in Snap. No, I just
Fucking Intel.
Okay, guys, INTC started to do the move, 60 cents, 20 from the ad. Guild can go to hell. Who cares? Mattel,
Why
new
did
high, so
RNTC
good.
go up when the
We'll
market
clear
is
the
going
crap,
down? It makes no
focusing
sense.
on the good ones.
But I guess large investors are buying. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. It might come back down again. I should have known better. I gave up that profit.
XP is not clear, I don't know. Okay, Snap,
I'm up
not Snap, sorry.
451.
If you watch the weekly on Mattel,
Should I go?
towards the 15,
Should I go
4090 is
long?
the next really resistant, really good. Look at the volume bars right now. Let's just clear the 50 round numbers and move on. INTC, I don't even think about partials. Look at the volume bars, just growing. Target on Mattel, David. You tell me. I never aim for a target. I never. I see potential. I let it grow. It depends if you're a 1-on-1, 1-to-2, watching the bars, watching the development. Really, it's always you guys. You need to have a system. Like you can't follow somebody if you don't have those systems because then you don't know what to do. So, okay. We jeopardized 25 cents. Stock did 25, like 1-to-1 plus minus. So highs vaguely.
All right,
You
let's
have to be
short it
very
again.
specific. You can't
I think
be
it's
vague
gonna
in
go my
trading.
way. My stop is right here. I
Okay,
think I'm
now
being
I
stubborn
see
though.
low
I think
high,
it's gonna go
so
up, but who knows?
probably we'll get into the gap, maybe close it. Apple I see already closed it. QQQ is negative.
Am I being stubborn? Because I can more
Just
shares. The
entered
thing
the
is,
DKNG.
I don't know if
short
this
side.
is.
Thought it will move higher today, but it's continuing in the downtrending. So just moved under the low, but small breakout. I'm still in work. Nothing happened in work. I'm still in a Snapchat. Beautiful
This ain't gonna work.
formation.
Fuck.
To see it move even lower.
I think
even
this is
lower.
gonna go actually higher. Thinking about buying,
Let's open ZM for today. Okay.
but I'm not.
DKNG, I took it with
sure
20
because
cent stop loss.
It might be
Time to work.
a trick.
Like
It might be just a fade.
Nice, Gianni. Free trade so far for me. Work, snap, and DKNG. Work at the entry, snap at the entry, and DKNG now at my entry. Let's open ZM. Next candle in snap is crucial. I want to see it under 39.80.
What is gonna happen with this? What's gonna happen with Intel? All right, so 147, 112. So I'm up about. I was up 360. Now I'm up about like 190 or so. Is this gonna go down?
You know what?
What's
If
gonna
snap
happen
will move
to
lower,
this?
I will end.
Like,
It's looking strong, but if it will move lower, so I will add. Okay.
I'm gonna go short this one, 200 shares.
Okay, Mattel came back to the entry. As it got under, I reduced half position,
My stop is at 50.
especially when I was
73.
profit there.
This is about a 50-cent stop. If it goes above this, let's see what happens.
Snap is struggling with this 40. Let's hope it will fail. Come on, Snap. You're too extended. I'm about to add in Snapchat under 39.80. Come on. S&P, fourth red candle in a
Go
row.
down, go down. You know you want to go down. You know you want to go down.
DKNG at my entry. Oh, Snap choose to move higher. Still in.
Yogi, above 40.20, switch side in snap, 30 cent stop. It's holding 9.
Yeah,
I'm
exactly.
going to do it. 40.20, I'm going to get this with 30 cent stop. Yeah, it's holding very nice. The 9 average, everything. And it's difficult to think when you go one way to other, don't do it well. But I don't know, it just reflecting the charts. Power and how it holds nicely the view up.
Half here.
And I think it's all-time high, so there's no ceiling.
See what happens.
So above 20, I'm going to
There we
take
go.
it above high.
See what happens. I should have gone heavier with this.
Okay, I'm out of Snap. Amir just took it, and I'm out from DKNG. Only Walk is walking on my side right now.
Now let's see if both of us will not be kicked out. Win that road.
One green
Don't
candle
worry.
next, and I'm out.
It
I'm
kick
taking my
one way, it
profit.
kick the other one, and then pick some way.
Market is starting to. So I think I'm going to cover. All right. that trade, $42.48 that I made.
Stuart, be careful with the extended. You know, I heard once a very nice lecture about the words, extended, even on the swing.
All right.
But people usually don't like to buy stocks at the high. So I saw a lot of good stuff examples. So extended is in, your own specific eyes.
What's gonna happen with this? I want to buy until now. But
Yeah, Mattel on half position. 30.95 will be my stop for the half. Market's going down, but leaves a lot of spikes. So
let's see what's gonna happen to Intel. I want it. I don't know. This one's a little bit tricky. I think this is gonna go up because the reason why I think it's
Yeah, we can see
the market, as you see here, it's just tanking. It's going down, but this stock isn't so much. Most stocks, tanking with the market. This one is kind
still in walk, waiting for something special. I have two losers.
It's holding its price levels, so that tells me that okay, people are buying, so it won't keep going down. I don't know.
Let's see FSLY.
All right, I'm gonna buy. Let's see what happens. And of course, it's just not. It's going down. My stop is going to be around 48.70. So let's see what happens. The reason I'm going so small is because I really don't know what direction is going to go.
Another red candle in the market.
Because right now it's kind of at that battle.
Wow, FSRI
it
is
wants
crashing.
to go down back to like 47.66, or it wants to go higher. So that's why I'm going kind of small, only 300 shares. But I'll sell my position and I'll go short. I can reverse my position if I want. But okay, so let's go.
Okay, I'm about to
You wanna
close
go up?
walk, and then I will choose my last
you
trade
see?
carefully. Look, small sizes, so not
Okay.
that bad, but three
I'm
losers so far.
Selling this. This isn't gonna work.
on stock that is on my list, and you should have a list of stock because of the earning. I'm watching Netflix. I don't have something specifically, but I kind of have some levels that I'm watching, and it's a huge important stocks. Had huge drop. Again, I want to see if maybe some guys wants to start buying it.
Yeah, this trade didn't work out. But as you guys can see, you guys can lose money in trades too. So you guys manage. I have more wins than I have losses. So at the end of the day, I'm positive, which is.
Okay, here's the green candle in the market.
But I don't know. Should I sell? Yeah, I think so. I think this was bullshit.
Energy looks strong right now. Energy sector and financial.
And now it wants to go up.
So,
You little dick. I think that's bullshit. Now 360.
I think Danny, I think you actually raised a trade now in COF. So, I think so, no, let me see. Oh, okay, I remember I saw it, yeah. Yeah, Morgan Stanley looks the same, JP. Always JP looks the strongest, but then usually the first move it failed. So yeah, it's not ready, all right. Would you take Netflix? Why? There's no formation, Gina. No formation, yeah. Yeah, but the 490, I know it's round numbers, but except that, it's not there yet. 488 was a good area level. So if we broke it already, it shows strength for me.
Okay, let's buy it again.
But from there to starting a trade,
Let's see what happens.
we're not there yet.
I still think this stock is going to go up.
Snap, we got to a new high. Again, I'm not taking Snap for 20 cents, okay? It's all-time high. I definitely want to see at least towards the 41, at least.
Every time
I want to see the momentum and I want to see,
crazy.
Yesterday we did a beautiful second day momentum. Today is the third day. And
that's why I'm going so
we have to be patient.
The stock is
Mattel is still surviving. I'm very picky just because, you see, we are in a good trade, but they are not developed so much. So they're developed, but I want to see it. I want to see the big momentum. It's not there yet. So.
Posted PTON under 118.70.
Omar.
6 cents away.
IBM also, it's a good candidate. You're right. It's a good candidate. Good crash on the daily. Thank you. It's not there yet, but yeah, it's on my list. Thanks. Okay, Snap. We need to break the 50 and, let it grow. So we need the movement.
Come on. What are you going to do?
Mattel, probably Barbie, didn't wake up yet. I don't know. 10% moving like nothing happened.
What are you?
Lift on it, didn't wake up.
So what are you going to do? Are you going to move up or are you going to go down? What are you going to do?
All of AAL. Let me see the airlines. You want to take it above AAL. AAL is 4% down. Give me one good reason. Look at UAL. 2% under the low.
See what happens.
DAL.
See what happens.
Why you want to take it? Guild? Only if you propose, Danny. I have 2 out of 2 in in the daily, in Guild and now. So I'm going to follow you. So maybe I'm going to change my Guild luck. Okay, Snap, guys. Let's wait for the liftoff above 50. Not yet. Not yet.
Yeah. I might have to get out of this position. It doesn't look like it wants to work.
Look on the market and achieve another green candle.
Can I get a sound test?
Hey, Danny. Sounds good.
Good, Danny.
Well, guys, I just watching Guild right now.
Yeah, I'm getting out of it.
And it's looking good for the upside. Some kind of a double bottom formation, but the stock is up 4%. Housing of lows, and a lot of people want to buy it right now. About JKS, remember the daily, remember the story yesterday that was
do I want to
bounce,
short?
but
That's the question.
today
Do I want to short?
close the gap, continue lower, made some kind of a reciprocal range play. We are aiming for a 66 actually.
Did kind of a nice trick,
know.
Danny. JKS on the daily, huh? Brought
It's just
people
so fucking confusing, man.
above the hammer, and then
Yeah. Now it's under 67. Let's wait for that to get to 66.
Now it wants to go up, little bastard.
Let's hope it's going to be a smooth sail.
Now it wants to go up.
Never happened in JKS.
Okay.
Just entered under 119 to PTON, short. My screen sharing is killing my software. Okay, Gil, beautiful move, Danny.
Yeah, it's really moving right now.
You see this? Bar would tell you it's going to move up higher.
Let's try
Then
to
the
get
second
to
candle.
64. JKS is just bareflagging.
It's not
right here,
continuing a higher
but it
price.
gets to
So that's
be
why I'm still like, what
in the next 2
Intel going
minutes.
to do? It's not going to do anything. That's why this stock was definitely harder
No, PTON, I want
than the other stocks
much
that I
more than
traded.
1 point in PTON. Yesterday low is 118.61, and now we are 118.85.
Okay.
So I think if we move
This
under
is
the
going to
low
go down.
in
I feel like
PTON,
it's going to
it's
go
a new
down.
low,
But how much do I want to risk?
and we move under yesterday low,
48.37.
it would be great for us. If I stopped out from PTON, I would call it a day. Luckily, I'm trading smaller sizes today because it's Friday. Guild is working beautiful. Snap working beautiful.
Okay. I'm going to risk a little bit more.
And
If I don't make any money today,
we need that PTON
I'm still
move
good. But
a little bit lower.
there we go. Let's go.
So I will not have a
Let's
red
go.
day.
Guys, right now, 30
too
minutes.
early. It's too
Let's
early.
go. Let's go. Come on.
It's too early,
Market
Yogi,
is
to say
pretty
that.
flat.
It's too early.
Yeah, market is
Okay.
Guys, market is pretty flat, but the Nasdaq is pulling lower. Watch Apple. Not a single green candle in 30
You
minutes.
stupid son of a
Of course,
bitch.
Intel is
Go
weighing,
down.
Tesla is
Fucking
weighing.
Intel. Let's go. Let's go.
So you see the
back to
semiconductor is one of the
47.66.
worst performers, down 0.7%. And I'm still watching COF, try to figure out what we can do.
Let's go down, fucking Intel. Let's go.
You know, 81 is the
What's wrong with
obvious.
you?
Amir, do you think we can maybe join before the 88, the 81? It's kind of
COF?
it's all over the place.
No,
Yeah, it's all
look
over
at
the
the
place.
markets. Yeah. It's already, if I'm watching the highs, you actually draw lines between each high, at 932, 948, so it's just a low high. And with the market, definitely, I'm not going to do it before, yeah. I don't see, no.
You need to place Jumaya. You know, Jumaya, it's all over the place. Look at the volumes right now in the last 2 minutes. It's like 80 cents move in 2 minutes. It's really looking like it's want to bounce.
This just doesn't want to do shit.
Go, Snapchat. UPKA, yeah.
Okay.
UPKA, around 41. Take the first partial, we are like 40 towards the 50. Looking good. Yeah, looking good. Snap.
What do you want to do, Intel? What the fuck do you want?
Everything is there. It's a good recipe for a cake. Everybody has attention. Everybody know that stock. Good earning. Yeah.
The market is going down. You should be going.
Okay. PTON next target 118.
Why you can't believe, Alain? Why not? This is just, this is the tape. We're not investing. We are not, everything is there.
PTON, took it with 50 cents under 118.
Okay.
Now I'm 1 to 2. It's pretty much extended on the 5-minute chart. So I'll wait for a
This
small
ain't gonna
pullback
do
and I will
shit.
take 3/4.
So I was down 170.
That will help me.
100, so I made a $70 profit.
And I will continue to trade with.
So I brought my losses
See?
down. But
Believe,
now I'm
Yogi.
done with Intel. I'm not
Believe.
interested in it.
You could be a very nice green today. Why not?
It is
30
Friday,
minutes,
so Fridays are
Everything's
usually
easy.
crazy because markets these are very volatile.
Okay. Didn't take anything
I'm up
yet.
550
Let's see
overall
the
for the day.
118. What's going on?
Mainly because I have some positions that are
Come on.
investments. So
Beautiful.
I have REM and Wells Fargo.
Come on, PTON. Beautiful.
So,
1 to 3 risk reward
but
ratio. I'm
for the
still
day
waiting.
trading,
Did not touch anything.
Let's see what I'm actually.
I'm almost green right now. One trade, make me green almost. Come on.
What I actually made for the day because I kind of lost track.
Okay, maybe I'm greedy, but I want to see it under 117.50.
Alright, first
Nope.
day trade was
Just took my first target in PTON. 1 to 2, like I usually do.
112 at 8 cents. NTC. Wow.
Nice, Alain. Stopped out in
7 cents.
TKNG, work, and snap. So you took the right trade. PTON.
147.53. That's it.
The market just moved under the low, but nothing happened. Just spiked down.
42.48. Okay.
As I would like to mention,
So this is my tracker?
We have a split market all over again. When you look at the small cap, the Russell is positive, banks are up.
Performance.
Actually, energy and
And for the day, Friday, 30 minutes.
The
Financial.
At 7:05. At 7:05,
financial and the
I
healthcare,
usually
the healthcare is up.
stop,
Actually, it's up 1%. Because of the
stop
low.
day trading. Because I only trade the market open because throughout the day now it's computers taking over and making money from outperforming computers is very difficult. So I only trade the first 30 minutes of the market open when things are very volatile. Today I made $200.50. I had more when this was fucking like I think I had $100 in here. I was up, 400, but I ended up trading again Intel, and I turned the profitable trade into a losing trade. But at the end of the day, like I said, it's okay to have losing trades. You just have to manage your risk. I was okay with with Intel. It was a little bit of a tricky stock, but I was okay with losing money in it because I made money. So far this position. I guess I was a little bit greedy. I really thought it was going to go down, but it didn't. But at the end of the day, I'm up $200 in 30 minutes. It's not stressful for me personally. It might be stressful to some people, mainly because when you day trade, you definitely have to detach yourself from money. You cannot make emotional decisions based on money, because if you do, that's when you screw shit up and you blow up your account. So at the end of the day, I think I did good. I'm happy with what I made, and I think I'm gonna call it a day. So I'll be live next time. See if you guys, if you guys have any questions, just feel free to send me a DM or something. All right, peace out.